Chef Ricardo back in the kitchen one more time with your dishes, guys. Lovely dishes and amazing dishes, drinks, food, everything, you name it, and you also can claim it. Remember, Christmas is coming up very soon and we got a lot of recipe for Christmas. We start to put out some Christmas tips already and there's more to come. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and remember to get a copy of my cooking book online from Amazon, and it's the best price ever in this world. We love you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Welcome back again in the kitchen one more time again, guys. Today we're going to show you how to make Jamaican black fruit cake recipe part 2. I did one a couple days ago, a couple weeks ago, and you know what I mean, it's good, really good. So this is part 2. all right. First of all, what we're going to do is get 2 cups of unsalted butter. This is my cup I'm using, guys. As you can see, this said 1 cup, and this is 2 cups. This is 1 cup of butter already so far. So we're gonna do 1 more cup of butter. Lovely and nice. So this is 2 cups of butter. Nice one. As you can see, 2 cups of butter. Lovely. Next thing, what we're gonna do, we're gonna do 2 cups of brown sugar. So we're gonna cream sugar and butter together, guys. So that's 1 cup, and we're gonna do 1 more cups of the brown sugar. Some people do use white sugar if you want to. That's 2 cups of brown sugar. All right. So that's lovely and nice, and that's one of the main things what you need to do. First thing I would say you need to do, guys, is make sure you have your stuff ready. It's get prepared and ready. So now we're gonna show you how to cream the butter and the sugar. That's one of the first thing what you need to do. As you can see, that's the brown sugar and the butter. If you have a hand whisk, it is very good. If you don't have one, if you have a mixer, it's good also. If you don't have one, you can use a whisk and just whisk it. But this is just a hand blender whisk, which we're gonna use and get it cream. All right. So first of all, let's cream butter and sugar. 2 cups of butter, unsalted, and 2 cups of sugar. That's the first thing you need to do. Nice and lovely. As you can see, that's the butter and the sugar cream. Good, nice 15 minutes, 12 to 15 minutes worth of creaming. Make sure you get it really fluffy up and cream and nice. Make sure your butter at a room temperature. It's very important. It's good to have one of these. Very good. You can just simply squirt things around. It's a spatula. It's really good to use in baking. If not, you can use a spoon. Nice and lovely. So as you can see, that's the first thing we do so far is cream the butter and the sugar, and it is 2 cups of butter and 2 cups of sugar. All right. So I'm making it easier for you guys. If you have a cup at your house, everybody have a cup. All right. All you need to do is just measure out 2 cups of butter and 2 cups of sugar and cream it and make it get fluffy like this. So it's fluffy, and I'm using, if you can't get brown sugar, you're free to use white sugar. but it's only the brown sugar is better and it's more healthier and it's good for you. Alright? So, first of all, that's the sugar and butter. Done with. Put this at the side. The next thing, we need to get some fruits. But for me, basically I normally soak my fruits ahead. So I've been soaking my fruits over about a year now. And you know what I mean, it's just brilliant when you soak your fruits for long. You get more flavor, more taste. And it is good to use red label wine and white rum to soak your fruits into a container. On my YouTube channel, there's a lot of video telling you how to soak your fruits. I can put one down below, one of the video below, and the link. And it's good to use your good Jamaican white strong rare navy. Lovely. Yes, everybody loves rare navy. So basically, we're gonna do the mixture in a way where you can understand it, guys. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna weigh out 2 pounds of fruits. So 8 and 8, 16 and 16, that's gonna be 32 ounces of fruits. Alright? So in Jamaica, we will say 2 pounds. Alright? England and different countries, they use ounces. So this is my scale where I normally use. This would be 1 pound, 2 pounds. Very easy, guys. If you want to know how to get 2 pounds in ounces, simple. That's 8 ounces. 8 and 8, that's 16 ounces. 2 pounds would be 8 and 8, 16 and 16, 32 ounces. Alright? So it's easy. Simple. So let's get 2 pounds of fruits inside of my butter and sugar, which I just cream. Lovely and nice. So this is the way all we're gonna do it this time, guys, and I'm gonna show you. So I'm already blend my fruits. Alright? So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simple put some fruits straight inside of it like this. This is my fruits which I just blended just now. Nice and lovely. So we are putting the fruits. That's the third thing which we are doing so far. We got the butter, the sugar, and now this is the fruits. You might have said, why the chef do it that way? And then I saw you did it before. But you know, sometimes you learn things, you know what I mean? It's just amazing to know that so many people can learn things. Use a spoon and simple. Work in the butter and the fruit and the sugar. Alright? Lovely. And then as I say, you know, butter is a something where, you know, fruit is very heavy. So, you know what I mean? So we are putting the fruits. Lovely. Then simple, use your hand whisk and simple give it a whisk. Nice and lovely. So that's the fruits and the egg and the sugar. Beautiful. That's the Jamaican black rum fruit cake. Guys, you're gonna love it. Look at that. That is so fantastic and beautiful. So basically, as I say, blend up your fruits. Some people put their fruits order. I don't like to put my fruits order. I like to blend it. And as you can see, oh, it look already lovely and nice. So next thing, we're gonna get eggs. Nice and lovely. Look at this beautiful boys and girls right here. This is the eggs. All right. So basically, we're gonna use 3, 6, 9, and 1, 10. 10 eggs we're gonna use inside of this fruit cake. As I said, the more egg you use for the cake, it is the better for it. You know what I mean? Because the fruit is heavy, and the more egg you get, it better for the cake. Even make the cake even more, you know what I mean, lighter and better. All right, because fruit is heavy. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna break our egg one by one and simple. Had it. Just show you what's gonna happen now, guys, because I don't want you guys to get too confusing. So what you're gonna do, make sure you break one of your egg like this. Sorry about that. I want to just get out of my hand. All right, and sorry about that, guys. We're gonna break the egg them one by one and simple add it to this mixture. All right. So what you're gonna do? See, we break one of the egg. Simple. Add it to your mixture like this, and we're gonna add them one by one and simple blend it like this. Nice one. Then next thing, get another egg and simple crack it and simple add it to the mixture. Nice one. You might have said, boy, that's gonna take long, man. Why not just break the one of the egg them and put them in one time? Making Jamaican black fruit cake takes time. You have to have patience and time. Alright? So as you can see, you're gonna break all of the 10 eggs and add them one by one and blend. If you want a nice, lovely Jamaican black cake for your Christmas. Where the family them gonna fly from Jamaica, from New York, from all over the place, from Birmingham. I want to come for dinner. So this is the way you're going to do it for make them happy and make your next door neighbor can see that a nice lovely cake in your oven. Make them wonder what's going on. What's this Jamaican lady doing it around there? Is just baking up too much cake. I can't manage the same. I need some. Anyway, so as you can see, we already put in 2 eggs and it is 10 eggs. And we're going to break them, add them one by one. So as I started to show you guys, I'm going to add the rest. Alright? Lovely. Nice and lovely. So I just finished put the 10 eggs inside. As you can see, looking lovely and nice. So I finished the 10 eggs, and now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add some stuff for this now. Teaspoon of vanilla. I got some vanilla essence. Vanilla essence is really nice. Just give it an extra flavor. Teaspoon. Teaspoon of vanilla essence. Really nice. It give it a lovely flavor. And also a teaspoon or shot of rum. That's the Jamaican white rum. A little extra. Don't give kids, please. Give it a nice lovely blend. Nice one. Lovely. Inside of this container of 2 cups of flour, right here. Just to make you guys know that 2 cups of flour will work out to 8 ounces of flour. So that would be 1 pound of flour right here. And I'm using self-rising flour, guys. So please bear with me. And I'm gonna put also half teaspoon of baking powder also inside of it like this. And also I have some grounded nutty egg, and I'm gonna put a large teaspoon of it inside of it. And also half teaspoon of mixed spice. That's mixed spice, and that's only half teaspoon. Alright? Then we're gonna use some cinnamon. Three-quarter teaspoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon is good for baking. Give it a lovely flavor, a lovely, nice smell. Salt. We're gonna put half teaspoon of salt inside of it like that. Lovely. And simply use a spoon. Give it a nice little stir. Nice one. As you can see. The next thing, get your sieve and I would say don't sieve it inside of that, guys. I would say sieve it inside of this one right here, and I'm gonna sieve it like this. So as I sieve it, you can see how it looks different. Get back your mixture and simply add quarter of it inside of it. Use a wooden spoon and combine it together, because you don't want to put all of it one time. It's going to be too much. Add the rest, roughly quarter more. As I say, you don't want to add to the whole of the flour one time, because you don't want it to be, that's, you know what I mean, you don't want to whisk. If you're gonna whisk it, it's gonna be too much and get tipped up, so that's, you're not looking for that. Then add the rest of the flour. Simple. Use a wooden spoon and just work it in just like this, guys. Look at that, beautiful. So when you use a wooden spoon, you just work it around just like that, and simple. Get your hand whisk. Give it a whisk. Nice and lovely. As you can see, that looks so good. Really, really lovely and nice. Look at that. Beautiful. So, this is the part we are waiting for, because as you can see, it doesn't have the color So we need to add the color. We have browning, which we're gonna add to it now. So give me a second, guys. Sugar, flour, butter, spices, everything already inside of it. So basically now we need to put the color, which is the browning. And you know, a lot of people keep asking me, Chef Ricardo, you need to show the browning, you need to show the browning. Well, this is my browning one I want to use in my cake. And you know what I mean, give it the right color, the right texture, rich flavor, everything. It's just perfect. So basically, this is the brand which I'm using, and I'm gonna use this one in my cake today again. I did it 2 weeks ago, and I'm gonna do it one more time again. So guys, just look what Chef Ricardo gonna do now. We're gonna give you the flavor and the taste and everything. So first of all, we're gonna put in, that's 1 teaspoon, tablespoon, 2 tablespoon, 3 tablespoon, and that's 4 tablespoon. So hold on right there with that lovely 4 tablespoon of this lovely browning, which we normally use to make our Jamaican black cake. Because we need a flavor, we need a taste, and we need a color. Look at this. Nice and lovely. But as you can see, that's 4 spoons I put in it already. And again, we're gonna put in 1, 2, 3 more spoons inside of it. So 4 and 3 gonna be what? 7. Alright? Give it another blend. Nice and lovely. So as you can see, look at the color. Just look at the Jamaican black rum fruit cake for Christmas. But we still need to get it at a certain color. So we already have 7 tablespoons of browning. We might have put 7, 8, 9, 10 tablespoons of browning inside of this Jamaican black rum fruit cake, guys. It's amazing. It's just amazing, brilliant. We love it, and honestly, trust me, I've been using it. It's just brilliant. Blend again, guys. Nice and lovely. Oh my days, that's the color we are definitely looking for. But the beauty is, if you even want it a little bit blacker, to be honest guys, you can get it even blacker by just adding another probably 2 more spoons if you want. But for me, I would just leave it as it is right near at the moment. So that's brilliant. I use 10 tablespoons of browning inside of it, which is brilliant. Give me a lovely color. I like the color. I love this color. Seriously, look at that. Beautiful. I love this color, guys. Alright, now we're gonna line up our shaving baking tray for this now, guys, which is just brilliant. Alright? We're gonna line up our baking tray for our black Jamaican rum fruit cake. Enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely, guys. As you can see, right here is a 9-inch pan, and basically I rub some butter inside of it. Put a piece of a grease paper, and I'm gonna put it like this. this is what we're gonna do. On the outside, cut off the excess piece on the outside, alright? Right over here, I have another one. This is just an ordinary oven tray. But when I fill up this one, I'm gonna put the recipe into this one. Nice. So this is exactly what you're looking for. Alright? Then next, simple, pour some of the mixture inside of it like this. Nice and lovely. The rest, I'm just gonna put the rest in this and bake it from a purpose where I can do something different with it. But I definitely want to make the 9 inches one. Cut off the exit paper from around it, as I say. Nice and lovely to the other side. That's finished, done and dusted and ready. Second thing, preheat your oven first, guys. It's very important for preheating your oven. Basically, I'm going to use gas mark 7 and put it in the middle of the oven, not on the top shelf, because you don't want to burn up your cake. Alright? Nice one. Nice and lovely. As you can see, the proper Jamaican black dark fruit cake, guys. Beautiful, really nice. As you can see, I got a 9 inches and I have just a small oven baked tray pan right over here with some of it inside of it. Basically, guys, it's just gonna be fantastic. Hopefully you will love the recipe. Subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. Now we're gonna put it straight inside of the oven. We're gonna bake this for 1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour inside of the oven. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show. We have an amazing recipe for you today. It's the best. Thank you so much. Nice and lovely. I just take the cake then from the oven, guys, and as you can see, looking lovely and nice. Jamaican dark black fruit cake, looking so lovely and nice. This is a 9 inches one, as you can see. The best when you're baking a cake and you see a split in the top of it, that means it's really good cake. Alright? So as you can see, don't worry yourself because you're baking a cake and you see this split up on the top is perfect. But as you can see, really nice and beautiful. So hopefully you guys love the recipe and subscribe to the channel. All you need to do is simple, cool it down for roughly 3 to 4 hours or leave it overnight, and in the morning put some rum on top of it and red label wine and cover it, film it and put it down for 2 weeks. Best in the world, Jamaican black cake. Enjoy the recipe and thank you so much for watching my cooking show, Chef Ricardo. See you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. I just take the cake then from the oven, guys, and as you can see, looking lovely and nice. Jamaican dark black fruit cake, looking so lovely and nice. This is a 9 inches one, as you can see. The best when you're baking a cake and you see a split in the top of it, that means it's really good cake. Alright? So as you can see, don't worry yourself because you're baking a cake and you see this split up on the top is perfect. But as you can see, really nice and beautiful. So hopefully you guys love the recipe and subscribe to the channel. All you need to do is simple, cool it down for roughly 3 to 4 hours or leave it overnight, and in the morning put some rum on top of it and red label wine and cover it, film it and put it down for 2 weeks. Best in the world, Jamaican black cake. Enjoy the recipe and thank you so much for watching my cooking show, Chef Ricardo. See you next time. Bye bye. welcome back with Chef Ricardo cooking program today. Today we want to show you guys that, you know what I mean, tell you a little bits and tips about Christmas. Christmas is coming up soon. Basically, I want to tell you something, guys. Remember, look out for the pot roast beef. We got lamb coming up, we got turkey, we got roast chicken, we got a lot of things coming up for this Christmas. If you have any idea, anything you want to share with Chef Ricardo, please share it with me. If you have anything you want to request for me to make for you, remember you can request it and I will definitely make it for you. I want to say thank you guys for all of you who support me and subscribe to the channel, giving me a lot of, you know what I mean, tips and ideas and things, and also, you know what I mean, your comments are just brilliant. So remember you can follow me on Facebook and Twitter, Instagram, and also Google Plus. So guys, follow me and get more idea. Don't miss out anything. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you for your time. And remember, Christmas, we have a lot of idea. Remember the Jamaican rum fruit cake and sorry. So a lot of things is coming up for you guys. So thank you so much, and hopefully you have a wonderful time. Enjoy yourself and see you in the next time. Bye bye.